Morning guys, how are you all? Excuse me, sorry, try that again. Morning guys, how are you all? So today, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm probably going to do some bead weaving again, finish off the one that I started yesterday and did at the group yesterday, though I didn't get much done at the group yesterday. And I've obviously got the puzzle to do. And then I don't know what else I fancy doing. Normally I'd be replacing a load of stuff, and there was a few things I need to replace for the store, what I did sell, but I'm not really fussed because it's the last one this week, so I don't want a load of stock sat around until next winter, so letting it run down instead is probably the best bet. Some of the stock will go out during the spring summer stores, simply because, you know, this is the UK and it's still normally cold and wet, but I won't have quite as much of it. So I'm not sure what else I'm going to do with stock levels. I will make more stitch markers and jewellery and things, because I'm going to move over to more of my summer stuff, so that's going to be more jewellery and pretty things. There will still be yarn based products, but they're going to be more lacy and, you know, well, what you do for summer stock and spring stock instead of winter warm and cosy stuff, you know. So I'm going to start planning that out. That's about it. I don't have much planned today. I'm not going to dye up any more yarn just yet. I do have some left to dye, but as I said yesterday, I think I said, the hanger thing that I put on for the stores is still pretty full, and though I am trying to build up a stock of yarn, I'm not in a hurry, so probably won't bother with that. So I don't know, but I'll see what I fancy getting done for the day. This should hopefully be up today, which is Tuesday. I shouldn't be running behind this week. Hopefully not even till Sunday, because I'm not going to be in a mad rush making things, but we'll see, because we all know what I'm like. So I'm going to go do the puzzle and then see what else I fancy doing today. I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye. Hi guys, so day 14 today, because I'm not behind at the moment because I caught up all yesterday, so just one day. So let's have a look, shall we? Move my stool. I'm sorry about that noise, it is my stool because I'm short and it's the only way to reach the camera. I'm really enjoying how this is coming out actually, it's really gorgeous. Let's move that to that side this time because we're starting to work over, aren't we? Let's take that over out the way. Let's do this one instead. I'm going to need to come in a second so that you can all see closer, but for the minute. It's not even on properly and I still can't get it off. What is wrong with me? There we go. Right, shall we zoom in? My stool back. Even on my stool I have to stand on tiptoes. I hope you guys realise how hilarious this is. Let's not go quite so far in, so that way I can hopefully stay not going off camera so much. So again, as usual, they've got the number 14, so nice and simple to put back in the box. At some point I might do this whole puzzle as one piece, mix all the pieces together and do it like a proper puzzle, but I will store it mainly as its Advent calendar version because I think it's quite nice to redo it in that way because it's quite good fun, so I might do it each year, not necessarily film it, just personally do it each year and see if I get faster at it, which would be quite cool. So let's get the lights together because I believe that's going to be the edging of the house. Of course there's no edges because we're in the middle section. Put these bits together because again they're pretty obvious. There we go. Fix the two down there and knocked off a bit. I should be able to do this without zooming out. See how this one fits today. It's a bit of a squish to get in today. Both sides have a bit of a squish. But it's in. And again, it is offline. It's not too bad there. Yeah, it's not too bad there. It is slightly off around here, which you can see, but definitely not particularly great on that bit there or here. But it's not bad. It'll do. It's really good. You can really feel where it's squishing in. This one barely fits in correctly. That's just not quite the right shape. So it's all along. Yeah, the whole thing looks to be slightly miscut and shape-wise on that. That's why it's squishing a little. But I think overall it looks like I've done it. It's not super obvious that it's slightly off. I think it looks pretty good. So we're doing well. Let's zoom out so you can see the whole puzzle for a minute, shall we? It's really coming along quite nicely now. That's in. One day I'll get that right the first time, but I wouldn't hold my breath. But it's looking pretty good, so put that there, you can see what we're doing. So we're doing really well, I think. It's looking gorgeous, so we're up to here, so soon be done. It's going quite quickly, I think, isn't it? But I'm loving it. What do you guys think? I think I'll have to look to see if I can get another one next year that's a different picture. Or make my own. I have so many puzzles, I could just make some little boxes and put it in, couldn't I? I'll have a see. Maybe I'll have a vote in the year which one I should turn into an advent. But I think it's gorgeous. Hopefully I'll check in with you guys later. So see you later. Bye. Hi guys, so I haven't actually done much today. Just had a bath, so my hair's wet. I finished off the weaving part of this, which is nice, but I don't know how well you can see. These are cheaper beads from Amazon. I mean, they're nice beads, but they're not even in size, and they just don't work well for the weaving. It's just not as neat as I would like. So I'm actually going to stop using these for weaving and wait until I can buy some better quality beads to do my bead weaving with. I'm going to use these for kamihimo bracelets and things, because it doesn't matter so much that they're not the same size, because the style I want to do will be more freestyle, jaggedy thing, not like this is one I did years ago, but you can see how it's more floating all over the place, not neat edges, and so these would work for that. So I'm going to do that with them instead, and I'll buy some, I'm going to butcher this, but Makia beads? It's Japanese beads. From research, they're known as the best beads to be using for bead weaving, due to their consistency and size. They don't come cheap, but I think it'd be worth paying out that extra for them, so I'm going to get them. I do have fun little drop beads and multifaceted beads and things, which I'll do some fun stuff with, but I'll probably make more stitch markers with them. I'm not sure, but yeah, I've got different styles. I've got a lot of other style beads. I've got drawers full of beads, so I'll do more stitch markers and things with all of those, and maybe earrings and things, but for the bead weaving side of things, I'm going to wait until I can buy some really good quality seed beads that are all even in size. So tomorrow you'll probably see me working on some kamihimo instead. I'm probably butchering that too. I'm not very good at pronouncing Japanese words. I'm not very good at pronouncing English words, let's be fair. So, I don't know. But I'm going to get this edited because it's actually a lot later than I realised. It's 18 minutes past 9 in the night. So this is definitely probably not going to be up before midnight. Definitely probably. See what I mean? Bad at English. But I'll get this up as fast as I can. And I'll see you all tomorrow. So you all take care. Bye.